Good morning, retail traders. This is the Sneaky Snake trading strategy where I talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. And today we're going to talk about GME. I think it's starting to get a lot of good attention, and this could be a good day trade, scalper, maybe even a swing if you got that kind of guts. So GME's a GameStop. Everybody's talking about it right now, all the social media outlets. We also have let me see here. The news, AMC, GME, Tesla, 3 stocks to sell as soon as possible. I don't know about that. All 3 of them I'm trading right now. Even Tesla, every time they bash Tesla every day. But GME is on my watch, and then I scalped AMC a couple times already. What's going on with the GameStop stock of Roaring Kitty active again? So Roaring Kitty on Twitter put out an alert. I think he's got a following of 500,000 or more. GameStop surge again, unregistered highest close since December. GameStop has rocketed 60% in May. Short squeezes and Mania are back. The best casinos of the GameStop rank top 10 non-GameStop casinos. GME stock is going with the GameStop after 50% rally. GME stock, what is going on with the GameStop? Stock is falling on Monday, following a major blah, blah, blah. How old is this? 6 days ago. Okay. So there's the Roaring Kitty's little post right there from Benzinga. And let's get right into the stock. Now this is GME. Each one of these candles represent a year, and each one of these moving averages is a support. So the lowest right now is registering right around 1070. I mean, that's low support. If we get a knife, I think this is going to be a great knife catch. We have a tweezer top up here, which is resistance, if it does get that high at 37.11. And then we've got a real good resistance to break, and that's going to be right off this spinning top at 1867. We did get a dragonfly doji, which is bullish, means it could push to the upside if you're looking only at the yearly candlestick for a long swing. And then the wick would carry up to right about there, so somewhere around 2750 area would be your hard resistance to break. Now like I said, each one of these represent a year. So now we're going to go to the weekly time frame, and we have the 200 SMA at the weekly for resistance to break, and that's where I'm going to go ahead and put my alert for now. I'm going to type in the 200 SMA on the weekly. And there's my alert. And then we got to break the 63. That's the 63 on the weekly. So I'm going to put an alert right there. EMA on the weekly. So that alert's set. And that's what we got to break. 1750 area, and that'd be a double top break. Perfect. I didn't even notice that until just now. So if we can stay above 1750 and this week and carry momentum above that, I think we can go ahead and meet those other criterias, those other resistance levels. But right now I'm really liking the 1751 to break. And we're at 1735, 1740. 1746. So we're right at resistance. We're at a double top. And then we're going to go to the daily, yearly daily. And that next resistance is right there, right around 1925. So I'm going to put that in there. And I'm going to put a little channel in here of resistance. If we can get through this, then we're going to be moving up a lot higher. Okay, Now I'm going to go to, I got the daily, and I'm not seeing any resistance to break beyond the 200. So now the 200 will become support, or the 9. Let's keep it at the 9. This is a triple top break. 1, 2, 3 comes into play. And I'm going to draw a price line, or a trend line, from that body to that body. And that's going to be your, oh man, that's beautiful. Beautiful support. I think this would be the place you really want to load the boat. So I'm going to set an alert. I'm going to type in load the boat. To be the 9 EMA on daily. Load the boat. I really like that spot right in there. So now I'm going to go to the 4-hour time frame, 180 days, and it takes you right to this resistance level. This is called a head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. So if we can build upon this here resistance level, I think we're going to have a good week. Break that 1925 and get above 20. I think we're going to have a real nice week in the stock. Again, that support level is going to be right around $16. And that's a one triple top break right there. So the next one we're going to bring up will be the 20-day 1 hour. We did break up above that 20-day 1 hour last Friday morning, early, and we pulled back to a descending wedge. Descending wedge, which is getting ready to break out. Now, if the 9 crosses over the 20, if the 21, oh, the 9's crossing down. So we're definitely at a critical support level right here. I think if the 9 stays above the 21, we'll come back up and break this tweezer top. That's a tweezer top resistance, and I'm going to go ahead and put a price line across that. I'm going to type in tweezer top resistance to break. Oop, that's not tweeze. Oh gosh, Jim. I'm talking about getting it wrong. Oh, I got a message here. Excuse me. So you got a tweezer top resistance to break at 1957. On hour. Now I'm going to take it to the 5-day 1 minute. We got a trend line coming down this way right here, which means we got to break that 200 on the 1 minute to run it up to break all these other resistance levels. So we're going to draw a little support line. And that third support, that second support's going to be right here above that trend line. Or let's make it right here, because I see these two tops over here. I'll set my alert right there and see what that says. Yeah, I'll just leave it right there. That's perfect. That'd be a triple bottom right there if it holds. First thing this morning. That ain't, I mean, that's at 757. So if we break up to the upside and we come back down, this will be your support channel to hold right in here. And then a strong, strong buy, like I said, they're around 16 bucks. So I think this is going to be a good trade today. Let's do a little summary of it on the 20-day, 1 hour. We've got a tweezer top to break up here at 1957 to take it higher. And we've got three different support levels that would want to go ahead and take this trade on. 1751, 1712, and then 1595. That's it for GME. I'm definitely going to be watching this stock on the 1 minute. We got to break that 200, and then that 200 will become respectful for the rest of the day, and it'll be inside of this channel, and that's what we need to hold. With the 3 resistance levels up here on GME at, let me get a better look here, 180, there we go. 1867, 1925, and then 1957. And that's it for GME. I hope that wasn't too confusing. I'm just trying to, we got a cup and handle, triple top break. That 1595 is going to be your solid support for today. If it decides to pull back there, and I'm just keep it on good watch. Like I said, I'm scalping it and day trading it right now. I'm not in the mood to swing it because you never know what's going to happen. This thing knifes on you and then you lose everything you got in it. GME, retail traders, have a great day.